In the last two videos, we have studied various traversal technique. We have studied basic traversal technique for trees, that is pre-order, post-order and in-order traversal. Today we'll see a basic traversal search techniques or traversal technique for graph. In the last class we have studied BFS, breadth first search, and today we'll study DFS, depth first search. In breadth first search we have used a data structure called queue. Here we'll use stack. So by using stack it gets a next vertex to start and search. These are simple rules of DFS. Visit adjacent unvisited vertex, mark it as visited, display it, push it into the stack. A rule through: if no adjacent vertex is found, pop up vertex from the stack. Right? Rule 3. If rule 1 and rule 2 should be repeated. Repeat rule 1 and rule 2 until stack is empty. This is a simple algorithm of DFS. Apply, select any vertex V and select it as or set it as visited. Label vertex V as reached. For each unreached vertex U, U, and it is adjacent from V, again need to start DFS on U. Okay. Now we'll go with the example. Here in this example I can see a unconnected graph, right? First I'll start visiting vertex 1. I'll select it as visited vertex V. Now from 1, if I apply this algorithm, what are the two unvisited vertices from 1, 2 and 4? But here I can select only one. That is, I'll select 2. Right? And now I'll mark it as visited. From 2, how many adjacent vertices are there? 3, 5, 6. I can select only one. Here I'll select 5. 5 as a adjacent vertex. Mark it as V. Next, what are the adjacent vertices from 5? 7, 9. Right? And 3. But I'll go for 9. Right? Now this is visited. Now from 9, how many adjacent vertices are there? 5, 6 and 8. I can select only one. I'll select 8 and I'll label it as visited. From 8, there is no adjacent vertex. So now what I can do? I can backtrack. Okay, backtrack to 9. From 9, how many adjacent vertices are there? 5 and 6. But 5 is already visited. Now I can go to 6. So 6 is newly visited vertex. From 6, 4, 2, 9, 7. 9 is visited. 2 is visited. I can select either 4 or 7. I'll go for 4. Right? This is visited. Now from 4, if I check, 1 is already visited. 2 is, next adjacent vertex is 6. It is visited. But still there is vertices which are unvisited. So backtrack to 6. From 6, 4 is visited, 2 is visited, 9 is visited. What about 7? 7 is unvisited. Go to 7. Mark it as visited. Now from 7, 6 is visited, 5 is visited. So 6 is again I can backtrack to 5. Right? From 5, 2, 9, 7 are visited vertex, but 3 is unvisited. So directly go to 3 and make it as visited. This is a DFS traversal tree. The method is given here. Right? Label 7, return to 6 and return to 9, and then there is no network. Return to 9, again backtrack to 6 and then backtrack to 9 and then backtrack to 5. Right? 7, return to 9, then from 9 return to 5. Okay. Now next, this is simple method without using a stack. Now how to apply stack on this DFS traversal? I'll take simple graph. Right? Here in this I'll start visiting from A. I'll take a stack implementation for tracing this. I'll start from A. From A, is there any unvisited adjacent vertex? Yes, B and E. B, because I can select only one at a time. So A is starting vertex. I'll mark it as A as visited. Next I'll select B. Now from B I need to check whether is there any adjacent unvisited vertex from B. No. Now pop B. Now B is popped out. Next, after popping B, again what is left out or last item in stack, that is A. So from A again I need to check whether there is any adjacent vertex. If it is there, just push it onto this stack. If it is not there, pop out. Right? There is. So E. I'll push that E into the stack, onto the stack. Next, from E, here there are two more adjacent vertices, C and H. Now I'll select either C or H. I'll select only one, C. Now from C, G, F, D. Here I'll select D. From C, I'll select D. Now from D, these are all visited, right? From D, there is no adjacent vertex, so I can easily pop D. That means now backtrack to C. From C, there is two more adjacent vertices which are unvisited, G and F. Now I can go for F or G. I'll select F. Okay, output is F. And from F, I can go for I. Right? I'll select I. F, I. Next, from I, this is visited, this is visited. What is next adjacent vertex? That is H. So now I can select H. Right? H. Right? From H, what are the adjacent vertex? That is G or E. But E is selected, visited. So G is unvisited. So I can go for G now. Right? G. Now, next, From G, is there any vertex left out which is unvisited and adjacent to G? No. Just pop G. Next, go for H. Here we need to check whether there is any unvisited adjacent vertex. No. Pop H. Pop is already H is already visited. Next, from I, no. Pop. From F, no. Pop. This is already popped out. And next C, no. Pop. E, no. Pop. So this is already popped out. A is popped out. So now stack is empty. That means my traversal is completed. This is one method. You can go through this method also. Okay. One more method for DFS. Just this is another example. Select A as a start vertex, visit A and push A onto the top of the stack. Visit any adjacent vertex from A which is not visited. I'll select only one, B. Push that B onto the stack. Right? Stack will come like this. Push A and push B. Next, visit adjacent from B. Push C and visit adjacent from E and push E onto this stack. Okay. From B, select adjacent vertex, that is C, and from C, select adjacent vertex for the traversal F. Right. Next, instead of F, I'll select E. I'll go like alphabetic order. Next, adjacent of E, that is D, which is unvisited, I'll just push it onto the stack. Now, from D, is there any adjacent unvisited vertex? No, I can easily pop D. D is popped out, which is left in the topmost element E. And from E, we need to check whether any adjacent unvisited vertices. A is already visited, B is visited, C is visited, D is visited. What about F? F is unvisited. Right? Now push F onto the top of the stack. Right? From F, again start traversal. From F, it is connected to C, E and G. E and C are visited. G is unvisited. So from F, I can go for G. Right? From G, again I need to check any adjacent unvisited vertex. No, there is no unvisited adjacent vertex. So pop G. What is topmost element now? F. From F, I need to check whether there is any unvisited adjacent vertices. No, just pop F. Right? Again, backtrack to E. From E, again I need to check whether there is any adjacent unvisited vertex. No, just pop. From C, all adjacent vertices are visited. Pop C. From B, there is no adjacent unvisited vertex. Pop B. Pop A. What is this? Now stack is empty. So we can apply same here. So output for DFS is spanning tree. From A, I've started visiting B, and from B go to C, and from C go to E, and E to D. After D, backtrack to E, and then backtrack to D is popped out, and from V I check for adjacent unvisited vertex, that is F. Okay, and from F to G, again pop G, pop F, pop E, pop C, pop B and pop A. This is a simple example for DFS traversal.